Hey, hey, I'm on vacation every single day because I love my occupation.
We're officially doing it. We're packing for a 10-month road trip around the US, and I have no idea what I'm doing. Derek's gonna join me here in just a little bit, but I was like, I'm gonna get a head start because I feel like I might have a little bit more issues and bumps in the road. And so basically I'm going through all my drawers and trying to figure out, okay, I definitely wanna take this. I maybe wanna take this. Let's see how much room we have. That's the game plan right now. Really what I'm trying to do is find 2 weeks worth of clothes without having to do laundry, just in case we get in a laundry obstacle where we don't have access to laundry, because I feel like that could be real life. So kind of trying to find like 14 underwear, 14 bras, 14 socks, 14 pants, 14 shirts, and then I'll let you know how we're going. But already I'm like, okay, this is a lot harder than I thought. You know. Okay, so this is where we're at so far. I cannot find my bathing suits anywhere. We think they're at my sister's house, but so far we have 1 scarf, 1 hat. I think there's 8 pair of leggings here, and then 3 pairs of joggers, a little stack of tank tops, some like things to layer with while we're hiking and if the weather's still chilly, and just working inside because I'm always cold. 3 long sleeve shirts that are kind of that dry fit material so that they will do really good with sweating and different kind of weather. I've got a stack of hiking socks here, a stack of footies here, panties, 14 pairs of panties, 3 pairs of PJs for the year. That should be fun. 2 nicer little shirts that I can wear with jeans or leggings. 2 t-shirts because everyone loves a good t-shirt. Plus I have to take a Kentucky shirt with me because that just feels right. I've got a stack of sports bras here because I live in those. And then these are my favorite bras right now. They're from, where, Mom? Target. $15 at Target. They're the bomb. This bra is just a strapless bra so that I can wear it with a couple of nicer things, which I'm taking a romper, a dress, a nicer shirt, and a nicer tank. 2 pairs of jeans back there, a jean jacket. We got the Birkenstocks, 1 pair of nice shoes, slippers. I'll take tennis shoes, hiking shoes, as well as Chacos. I'm pulling up to the front door right now because we really want to try to pack this car. And every time I pull up to Mom and Dad's house, I'm always like, this house, I mean, leaving home is hard, but always leaving this butte is really tough. Anyways, I just got back from my sister's house and I found the bathing suits. I found my Chacos. Those were a couple things that I could not find. And now we're gonna go in and check and see where Derek's at because I think he just got finished working and he's gonna start tackling his packing as well. So I'm gonna try to fit everything into the suitcase and kind of see where I'm at with space and everything. Anyways, like I was saying, that I was gonna come in and check and see where Derek was, but first I wanna show you kind of what I have added since I got back. 4 total bathing suits because I added an extra bottom that could go with a couple tops. I added 2 little cover-ups because I think those will be really handy and I love like hanging out in cover-ups and stuff. We added 1 comfy pair of lighter jeans just to go with more stuff. I have my black jeans that I'll wear most of the time as like my dressiest option. And I decided to take a pair of just white Chucks just to like spruce up some outfits a little bit. I just think that they will be really handy in days we hang out in cities and stuff like that when we're not hikey. I added my Chacos and then I'll show you my hiking boots that I'm taking. These are called garments, I believe. These are what I got as a Christmas present. I'm really excited about these. They are super light and they had really, really good reviews. So excited about those. It's going to work now. What do you got, babe? He's got loads of shirts here for like work days. He's got a thermal thrown in there. Is this long sleeve, babe?
Yes.
Long sleeve shirts. A lot of dry fit material is what we were going for because we feel like it'll last a little bit better since we're going to be re-wearing so much. This is a stack of shorts. I think he's missing some. There's only 4 pair right there.
Yeah, I got another pair of regular shorts over here.
Yeah. And then he's going with, are these shorts?
Yes.
Shorts.
Some of those are dry fit,
3,
so
4.
If you want to hike as well.
Oh yeah, true. And then 4 pair of jeans.
Yep.
He's in jeans more often than I am, so he's taking a couple more pairs of jeans. He's gonna take a couple good pairs of sweatpants. Just cleaned your other ones there in my room. Those. These are just like his pullover shirts, kind of like I was showing you guys that I was taking. So there's 3 good ones there. This is like that, what's that material, babe? Like a wicking windbreaker. Then his polos, are you just taking 2?
I'm gonna take a couple more.
Okay, a couple more polos. We're gonna start a pajama pile.
Polos and gym shorts. It's the look.
Polos and gym shorts?
Without a doubt.
I hate that look.
And slides, sandals.
No. A couple of other things. I just found this hanging upstairs. I know it's my mom's, but she's never worn it. It's a Columbia, like one of those fishing shirts. And I think it won't take up much room at all because it's so light, but I think it would be awesome for the trip once we're in really warm weather, but you can layer it to hike, or you can wear it also over a bathing suit or whatever. So I think I'm gonna throw that in there. Then also forgot to share that I am taking a rain jacket, of course. So I've got this Target just all black rain jacket that will go with pretty much everything. Can't forget that. I'm taking, it's a big suitcase, and I'm gonna try to fit all of that into here. Wish me luck, I'll keep you updated. Okay, so I got all of that. I still have the bras, a couple shirts, the bathing suits, and the socks and underwear and stuff. But pretty much all the clothes right here. And I learned this new way of folding called the rule of thirds. It's really cool, actually. And so now I'm able to see every single thing in my suitcase. So it's really easy not to forget what I've brought and make sure, you know, that your things are just getting thrown to the bottom and all that kind of stuff where it gets jumbled. So I feel like that looks really good, and I fit a ton of stuff in there. Okay, so we just got the car all situated. We're just laying these 2 seats down. We took the headrest off so that there's more room. We're just getting it all cleaned out so we can see if we have enough room for all of this. We bought this bin for all of our camping stuff. So we have our tent in here, 2 sleeping bags, a first aid kit, wipes, coffee, bungees, Enos, all the things in here that fit right there. All right, I'm gonna take you through the grand tour. We have nothing up front so that we can actually enjoy our space and have the whole up front for long car rides. And then in the middle, right behind the driver's seat, we have a collapsible hamper. And then we have our Atlas that we're gonna travel with as well. I mean, obviously we're gonna use a real GPS, but we plan to do some cool stuff with our Atlas. Right behind here, there's an open space for our 2 big work bags to go right behind the driver's seat so that we can easily get to them and actually work while we're traveling. Here's a zipper cooler bag that I think will just be really handy wherever we're at. We have some containers so that we can take meals with us. Loads of stevia. We have shaker bottles and also our regular drinking cups that we're gonna take. We're gonna keep 2 coffee mugs with us as well, travel mugs that we'll keep up front while we're traveling most of the time because we love coffee. And then I'll keep showing you this side. So right here in that bin, like I said, is all of our camping gear, and here's the 2 camping mats to go under the, what are those called? The sleeping bags. So those will go under the sleeping bags. We have a 5-gallon thing for water for campsites and just to keep full in the car while we're traveling so that we have easy access to water, because water is really important. Some extra mats. I had these laying down on the car, but they kept getting all moved around when we were throwing the suitcases in, and I thought that would be annoying, but I think they would be really handy if we have dirty or muddy shoes from hiking and stuff. And Mom was like, you could just throw them on your floorboard if your feet are really dirty, not to mess up your whole car. My suitcase with all my clothes for this year, Derek's suitcase with all his clothes for this year. Guys, I can't believe how easy this fit in here. I feel like we're forgetting so much. We have this really nice cooler that we got for Christmas, and it's actually empty right now because we will be traveling with food to be able to eat healthy while we travel. This bad boy has all of our camera gear and everything in it, chargers, etc., etc. Then we have this to go behind the seat that my mom actually gave us, and it's got 3 different compartments. So we're gonna keep dry foods in here, even trash probably, anything that we need to easy access while we're driving, we're gonna keep right there. I dropped my purse somewhere down in there. Let's see, and then we have my hiking backpack, and I'm just gonna stack Derek's hiking backpack on top of that. And then the only thing that we don't have in here is our big toiletry bag with all the toiletries, so I'm gonna put that right along this center space because there's a big open space right there. And that is literally it. I think I'm mind blown. I don't know. Like, I feel like we're forgetting so much, but honestly, I think this is all that we need. And I'm so excited. Okay, so honestly, I'm feeling really good about all of this. I'm gonna put in this little frayed bag my booty band that I wanna take for workouts, slingshot booty band, and like a normal band so I can do like a full body band workout sometimes if we don't have access to a gym. As far as jewelry goes, I'm honestly just taking my Wendy pearls that I have a couple of different necklaces that'll be really easy to pack, and just a couple of pair of studs. I just got some like good diamond ones that are like 14 karat, you know, so my ears don't hurt. Like I said, we have to put our toiletry bag in there still. There's a couple things we're adding to our car that I wanted to show you. We're gonna put this little guy up on the dashboard. I don't know if you can see, hold on. As you can see, it can go up on your dashboard, so we can put our phone on the dashboard when we're trying to figure out where the heck we're going. We got a 3-prong or a 3 USB little, why are words hard? I don't know. Yeah. Okay, I figured out what I was trying to say. Cigarette lighter. It plugs into the cigarette lighter. But then we also have this for the car, which I think we'll use the most because we can plug in our laptops to charge our laptops while we're working on those day-long drives. And so I'm gonna get some like Velcro for the back of this to strip on like the side of the car so it's not just hanging off the cigarette lighter, so that we can plug, it's almost like it's to a wall, kind of, you know what I mean? So that it's just out of the way. So I just gotta order some Velcro this week and get that set up in the car as well. So those are the couple things we have to do. I wanna get Derek a journal so that he can journal. I have a little journal that I'm gonna take with me as well to journal. We have our passports. I ordered like a little divider thing so I can put passports and important paperwork that we may need for a year, you know, that kind of stuff you just don't think about. This will be my travel journal that I'm going to take. This is the toiletry bag that I was talking about. We don't have it full yet because we're still using our toiletries. And then I have one little extra bag that I'm gonna throw in there that's like extra toiletries that I went ahead and bought, like my hairspray and makeup and stuff that just makes me feel good every day when I get ready. I threw that in there as well. So yeah, I'm like shocked how well that went, to be completely honest. I think we did pretty good. And I didn't get to show Derek's suitcase, but he easily fit everything in his suitcase, including all of his shoes too. So we're good to go. I'm really pumped. Okay, so I just thought of a couple other things I want to take, which I'll probably do this all week. So it's probably not as smooth as I think it's going. But I forgot to pack hats already. So I need to pack like 2 or 3 ball caps just to take because we live in those. And I want to get some postage to take with us so that we can write letters, and then books. I want to take some books to read this year because I feel like I'm going to have a lot of opportunities to read some books that I've had stashed away for a long time. So I'm going to take like 4 or 5 books with me as well. But okay, we're making progress though. I'm starting to like really feel like this is so real, and I am like, what are we doing? Have we lost our minds, or are we like the smartest people ever? I'm not sure. Okay, y'all. We just dropped off Derek's car. He officially sold his car and does not have a car. How do you feel about that?
Yet I'm behind the wheel.
True. We just sold his car. We're at our favorite Mexican restaurant from the town we just moved out of to say our farewells. I feel like this is like the happy ending. If you're gonna end it somewhere, you would want to end it at Puerto.
With chips and salsa and a margarita in your hand?
For sure.
Yes.
But anyways, we've officially mock packed the car. We still have most of the stuff back there, which is what you guys just saw. We leave in 1 week from this recording, so it's getting really real. Oh my gosh, I just spilled my kombucha everywhere. And I wanted to say, I wanted to close this video.
A bottle of vinegar in here.
I wanted to close this video with kind of like what we think our work week is going to look like.
Work.
With the travels. We never done anything like this before, so we kind of have talked about our intentions with work for the trip, and we both, it's tough, you know, because we want to be really present. We don't want to look back and be like, man, we worked that whole year away and we had such an awesome opportunity to see the world and stuff. But at the same time, we're both growing entrepreneurs and baby businesses, and we are trying to prepare ourselves for families and that kind of stuff. So just like everything else in life, there's a balance within that, and just being honestly wise, I think, but also adventurous. So yeah, kind of explain our game plan a little bit when it comes to work.
Trying to implement hard limits, meaning on hours, off hours, when the cell phone and the computer go away, and then trying to come up with an arrangement that we can both agree on as far as what days of the week we're going to be working the majority of the day, and then what those work hours look like, and then understanding that things are going to come up. You got to have a little flexibility. There's going to be times that are busier than others,
right?
And just like we have no idea what we're going to get into, how much of the sightseeing we're going to want to be doing, and all that good stuff. So just having an open mind, but yet
an open communication. Here's the thing, like I'm so in my business when I'm working, and he's so in his business when he's working, and sometimes we get these assumptions that we understand what each other's doing all day, and we just don't, because we don't see it and we're not in it, and we don't know what's really most important and stuff. Like for my work, a lot of people don't see my work that important because it's not something they're really passionate about. And same for me to his work. Like it's not something I'm really passionate about. Therefore, the importance of it is hard to wrap my head around. And that communication mishap and assumption can cause like, well, that's annoying, you're putting that before this or whatever it may be. And so I think it's open communication, and then also just always putting each other in each other's shoes, and you know, swapping sides and saying, okay, like let me look at it from your perspective. Why does this mean so much to you? And just kind of explaining that to one another. So basically, Derek's really busy work days are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and those really are mine too. And so we're gonna try to work really hard on those days and be a little bit more adventurous for longer weekends. That's kind of our game plan now. We really don't know, but at least we've talked about it and we've got some clarity on what we think we're going to attempt for this first little bit, and then we'll see how it goes.
The good news is we're going to be learning as we go. So yeah. You can learn with us.
You can learn with us. So the next video will be our first week, which will be in Houston, Texas, and we'll be sharing all the adventure, the road trip there, and all that good stuff, what all we get into, maybe what gyms we go to, restaurants, etc., etc. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching the first video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see ya in the next one. Bye.